Well, the Indian hockey team arrived in Amritsar to a grand welcome by locals. The champions are on their way to the Golden Temple where they will pay their respects. Joining me on the broadcast live is my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, a hero's welcome for the hockey team players this morning. What are you picking up on ground?
Players of men's hockey team have landed in Amritsar, and in fact now they are sharing some emotional and sentimental moments with their families inside the waiting hall where you can see, and in fact they are also planning to come with a common dress and wearing the turbans inside, so that they after this they are going to visit Golden Temple to pay the obeisance. And even there are so many emotional moments that is here. Entire, if you can see the visuals, the entire family members, relatives, nears and dears, all are here to celebrate and welcome these boys, just because they scripted the history in Tokyo 2020. And even there are certain relatives who are eagerly waiting, and they are emotionally very much touched. They are wanted to see their sons and their daughter to come out, and even the Bhangra special arranged for these celebrations to welcome these boys, just because after a long time, after creating the history, they are coming back to their native places, they are meeting their family members, they are coming to their nears and dears, and even all kind of celebrations are here, Crispino, all kind of celebrations are here, and the entire nation is watching these boys, including Captain Manpreet Singh. The family members, mother and fathers are all inside the waiting room. They are just emotionally attached to each other. Even the tears coming from their eyes are from by happiness that how the boys have gone with the wishes and come with the victory, landed back with the history after creating the history. So entire celebration mood is here at Amritsar Airport, and this day, today is the day that our entire nation will stand and see the celebration, just because they have so many plans. After airport, they go to Golden Temple, they pay obeisance. SGPC will honor all the hockey boys there, and after that there is a celebration scheduled at Golden Gate of Amritsar, from where they dispatch to their native places, and further the celebrations go on. This is not going to end the day here only. Further, every family member, every village, every house have planned so many celebrations for these boys to welcome, and in fact today is the day to celebrate. And even we will try to talk to some people here and to know their emotions, just because there are certain people who are coming up with the flowers and with everything. बड़ा खुशी का दिन है जी, लड़के वापस आ रहे हैं यार। बिल्कुल तो आप भी फूलों के साथ उनका स्वागत करने के लिए
बिल्कुल पहुंचे हैं जी, बिल्कुल स्वागत करने के लिए पहुंचे हैं। हाँ जी,
history create करके. So you can see the flowers and even the family members. The brother of Gurjeet Kaur is here. We will try to talk to him also. बड़ा खुशी का दिन है जी, आज history create करके आ रहे हैं लड़के भी और लड़कियां भी. किस तरह से आप फीलिंग कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से आपको महसूस हो रहा है?
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾਣ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਵੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ।
आगे जो है क्या कुछ तैयारी करके आए हैं आप वेलकम करने के लिए अपनी सिस्टर को?
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਭੈਣ ਲਈ, ਵੀ ਚੈਂਪੀਅਨ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ।
Even they will be welcomed like champions, and in fact I can show you try to show the inside visuals also, where the heavy security has been deployed, so that there should not be any overcrowded. The room is very small, and even the players are inside, family members are inside, but celebrations are all waiting outside, just because the moment they step out from this area, all the welcome will be given by this Bhangra and flowers, and even with so many celebrations. And in fact the people around me, wherever I can walk down to this area, all the people are with the flowers, emotions, so many smiles on their faces. Even the small girls are here. We will try to talk to them also. आज बहुत बड़ा दिन है, फूलों के साथ स्वागत करेंगे आप उनका?
जी, फूलों के साथ ही स्वागत करेंगे, इतना बड़ा दिन है जो।
काफी एक्साइटमेंट भी दिख रही है आपकी आंखों में उनको देखने के लिए।
जी, काफी एक्साइटमेंट है। फैमिली में से कोई ऐसे इतने प्राउड मोमेंट हो, एक्साइटमेंट तो जरूरी होगी।
तो आगे की सेलिब्रेशंस भी कोई प्लान की होंगी यहाँ के बाद?
बहुत सेलिब्रेशन, पूरा दिन सेलिब्रेशंस चलेंगी। इतनी प्राउड मोमेंट है, इतनी खुशी है सबको।
एयरपोर्ट पे कितने टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं आप? कब पहुँच गए थे?
एयरपोर्ट में हम काफी टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं, बस बहुत वेट है, एक्साइटमेंट से वेट है, जल्दी आए जल्दी मिले, बस बहुत खुशी
अगर
है।
सबसे पहले कंग्रेचुलेशंस कैसे करेंगे आप? हार पहनाएंगे, हक करेंगे, कैसे होगा वो मूवमेंट?
कोई आइडिया नहीं है, जस्ट इतनी खुशी है कि समझ ही नहीं आ रही, बस वो फटाफट आए, हम मिले, इनको कांग्रेट्स करें, बस बहुत खुशी है। बहुत
41 साल का समय था कि 41 साल बाद ऐसा मोमेंट आया। एक आपकी आंखों में भी बहुत चमक दिख रही है।
देखिए, ये जो मोमेंट है ये पूरे इंडिया के लिए एक प्राउड मोमेंट है और ये इतिहास लिखा गया है दोबारा हॉकी के किताबों में और यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी प्रेरणा मिलेगी आने वाले हॉकी प्लेयर्स के लिए और हमारी सरकारों को भी ये उम्मीद जगेगी कि हॉकी इंडिया जो है वो किसी न किसी एक मुकाम पे पहुंच सकती है और देश का नाम रोशन कर सकती है।
इन सेलिब्रेट कैसे होगा आज? आप भी हार लेके खड़े हुए हैं, हारों के साथ ही रहेगा या आगे भी कुछ प्लानिंग है सेलिब्रेट करने?
देखिए, हमारी सेलिब्रेशन तो बहुत पहले से ही स्टार्ट हो गई थी जिस दिन ये मैच जीते थे हम, लेकिन ये सेलिब्रेशन अभी बहुत लंबी चलने वाली है, ये आज की नहीं है। आज तो ये एक ऑफिशियली हम इसको स्टार्ट देंगे, लेकिन बहुत लंबी चलेगी, पूरा एंजॉय होगा, पार्टी होगी और आगे रेगुलर चलती रहेगी।
The party is on, Crispino. The party is on with the Bhangra and day has been started with so many colorful visuals here at the airport, and after that this movement will be continued further also, and you can see the visuals, the entire colorful visuals are here at the airport, and this is a rousing welcome for the Indian boys who have created the history on Tokyo 2020, and now they are coming back. What we are getting to know is that they have started wearing the turbans just because after this they are going to visit Golden Temple to pay the obeisance, so they wanted to be in a common dress. The entire 11 boys of Indian men's hockey will be in common dress. So many celebrations are scheduled after this. Every single house, every village, every city will celebrate this movement just because they have created the history in Tokyo 2020 and they deserve many more, and in fact in future they will bring many more laurels to this country. Yes,
What a
Crispino.
colorful morning it is being there, and we are waiting for the hockey team to arrive as well. Thank you so much, Amandeep, for joining us on the broadcast.